I hit a weight that I didn't see and went in the water and came up and had very limited use of my left arm, pain in my neck and shoulder. Hi folks, my name is Paul Moser. I'm a patient of Dr. Shah. I had a catastrophic nerve injury. I was in a jet ski accident, February 11th, 22, and it was 2 days after my 60th birthday. I hit a weight that I didn't see and went in the water and came up and had very limited use of my left arm, pain in my neck and shoulder. So the hospital never determined that I had a nerve injury, but they did a battery of tests. They asked me to go see an orthopedic surgeon within the next couple of days. They still didn't diagnose a brachial plexus, but in addition to my brachial plexus injury, I had a cervical discectomy and fusion operation done about a month after the accident, where they replaced 2 discs in my neck and put 6 18mm screws and titanium plates in there. So finally, after the operation that I thought might fix the problem, and after taking the EMG needle test, we finally determined that my brachial plexus nerve was not activated, and that surgery didn't do anything. The challenge for me was finding the right person to perform the operation, the right doctor. But when I first met with Dr. Shah, I felt very comfortable that he was the right guy, and my future quality of life was literally in his hands. I've never met a doctor in my life that doesn't rush in. He will sit there and take as much time as you absolutely need to explain all of the procedures he's performing and how they affect things. He is fantastic. If anyone has any hesitation about getting this done or a doctor, I would highly recommend him. He's the best doctor I've ever seen, and trust me, I've seen a lot. Okay, so going back to the day of surgery, I was nervous. I wrote my wife a note and put it in our dresser drawer. If I don't make it, please take care of our bird. We have an African gray parrot, and enjoy the rest of your life. But you didn't need that. I did wake up. Recovery period for this particular injury is absolutely intense. Right now, 1 year after the operation, I've been to 100 physical therapy visits. I've been to 30 aqua therapy visits, and I work out 2 hours a day, every single day. This is my job to get my life back. Finding the right person to do it, the right doctor, is critical. And for me, Dr. Shah, he's the guy, right? So I wouldn't hesitate to recommend him to anybody for any of the procedures he does. He takes his time with you. He explains all the procedures. He explains, the pluses and minuses, and he doesn't sugarcoat it. He'll tell you the way it is. My arm was in his hands, and I trusted the right guy because I am so much better than I was.